We're at the old post office in Tetcott to see this 3-bedroom property. Still has a working post box just at the corner. And I'll just show you the view. So generally you'd probably use the back as the driveway is just here. So you've got parking for 3 to 4 cars and a really good sized garden. It's relatively flat as well, which is really handy. There is the shed there included within the let, and there's also a store there, and there is a side gate. So come on in. So firstly you have the kitchen diner, plenty of room, and you also have a larder just here. It's very handy. So kitchen has plumbing for a dishwasher, and it leads through into the utility where there is further space for appliances. Lots of nice features throughout, whilst also being nice and modern. So this is the lounge. Nice burner just there. That could be also an entrance door as well. So walking through, you've got the bathroom with separate shower and bath. It's also an airing cupboard. So there's 3 good sized bedrooms, all doubles. Nice beams. And finally, the master bedroom with a lovely feature fireplace. If you are interested in this property, do feel free to get in touch.